Boy, did I just make a rookie mistake. Let me tell you about it. Oftentimes you always have these waste holding tank, and you also have the sewage holding tank. Well, unfortunately, I got them mixed up, and I had the waste sewage tank open and not the gray tank open. And if you can see on the ground, we started leaking early this morning, and because it overflowed in this morning and created a huge problem, a big rookie mistake. We've been on the road for over 4 years now, and who would have thought that I would have made a mistake like that? But I did. In fact, I was looking at my tanks last night and seeing that it was reading full, and I went out and checked it, and I just double checked it, and I thought I pulled the gray tank, but instead I pulled the black tank. Bad idea. So we got to fill up the black tank, flush that out, and yeah, so we had a little mishap this morning, a big time rookie mistake. I hope you don't make this one.